Um, Namita, can you talk a little bit about the amenities in finding an apartment? So, for example, you spoke about maybe a swimming pool or a gym, which are great things to have when you find an apartment. But different apartments might have different things, like do they
Mhm.
always have a washer and dryer? Do they have a garage? Would they take pets? Can you talk a little bit about what to look for from an amenity perspective?
So some of the basic amenities are included in the apartments. So like a refrigerator, a cook stove, these are things that the apartment already has for you. However, having a swimming pool, if it is important to you, not all apartment complex will have a
Mhm.
swimming pool. But most of the apartment complexes these days will have some kind of a gym if exercising is important for you. Dog parks, some of the apartment complexes have dog parks. There are you have to pay extra if you have pets and if you're bringing
Mhm.
pets with you. It is an extra deposit, an extra per month that you have to pay for pets. So that is something else that you have to consider budgeting for. Um, Other than that, some apartment complex have in apartment washer dryers. However, some have a laundromat on the property itself. If the apartments do not have that, then there might be laundromats where you will have to physically take your laundry and get your laundry done. So for me, it is very important to have a
Mhm.
laundry in my unit. However, when you are comparing costs, more the number of amenities, the higher your rent is going to be. So
Mhm.
again, budgeting is important, and make a list of amenities that are important to you, and look for apartments which have those amenities included.
Okay, so that gives us a great overview, Namita, of the different things that are available. But bear in mind, the more amenities you have, probably the higher your rent is going to be. Anna and Mia are nodding.